What's up? Today I'm going to show you a guide of how to fix all game errors.
Before we start, quick tip, the easiest way to skip all the steps in this video and avoid future bugs or errors is to just use exit lag. If you get it through my link in the description, you'll get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stacks for a bigger deal. Alright, let's jump in.
As a first step, click on the search box and type in Device Manager. Here, click on Device Manager. After that, click on Display Adapters. Then choose your specific graphics card. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. Then click on Close and close the windows. This method is not always sufficient. If the problem hasn't been solved yet, download the latest driver from the internet. Open a web browser and type in the model of your graphics card. In the description, you can find links to download drivers for all sorts of video cards. Download the driver. Once downloaded, start the installer. Click on the Agree and Install button. Log in if necessary. Then click on the Drivers section and click on Search for software updates. The software will find any updates. Then download the updates. After that, close the application and restart your computer. Try to start the game again. Now, if that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Graphics Settings. Click on Graphics Settings. Search for your game in the list. If you can't find the game you're looking for, use the Browse button to add the game's startup file. Choose the game and click on the Options button. Select High Performance Mode and then Save. You can now close the window. Start up your game library. Click on the library and search for the game. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait until it finishes. When it's ready, click on the Browse button. Then right-click on the game application and click Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8 mode. Also, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. The Run this program as administrator option doesn't always work. If it's enabled, it might cause the game not to start, but try it anyway. I only recommend running in low resolution as a last resort, since it decreases quality. Click on Apply and OK. And finally, you're ready to play the game. If that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Updates. Click on Check for updates. If any updates are found, download them. Once the download finishes, restart your computer. If that didn't work, open a web browser. In the video description, open the two websites shown there. On the first website, download DirectX. Click to accept the license. The installer will begin. Once it's done, click on the Finish button. Next, go to the other website to download the Visual C++ files. Scroll down until you see 3 files. Please download all of them. After the download finishes, install each file one by one. Accept the license and click the Install button. If one of the files fails to install, don't worry. It might not be compatible with your processor. The other file should still work fine. Click Close. Install the next file. Accept the license. Click Install. Then click Close. Repeat the process for the last installer. Then, restart your computer.